Okay, so today we're going to see about list concepts. So in last class we seen string concepts, and today we see about list concepts. So list is one of the data type. Now I'll create one list. Just listen. So A, it's a variable. So list of like apple, banana, grapes. Okay. So guys, do you know what is list in real life? Give any examples. So what is list? Have you heard the word list?
List of items.
List of items. What is the list of items? In everyone in your home, you people are taken list, right?
Of needed things like what we need, so we make a list of that.
Yes, yes, yes. Now here we can write like apple and banana and grapes. Okay. So Alkas, your audible as trucken. I think you are wearing any other headphones on your mic, right? Just move forward. Okay. So guys, listen. So it's listed as an ordered collection or unordered collection. Tell me. In your grocery
Yes,
list, it's a ordered
uh,
or unordered collection.
we make that is unordered.
Unordered means you're writing apple in this corner, banana in this corner, grapes in this corner.
Yes,
This is
no,
called
not in
unordered.
corner like sequence. We can change at the first place. We can write grapes. At
See,
second place, we can write.
unordered means you're writing apple on here. You're writing banana on here. You're writing grapes on here. This is
No,
called
no,
unordered.
not like that.
Okay, so list is the ordered collection. Okay, it is an ordered collection. So it's a list is. Can you modify list? It's possible.
We can modify the list.
Yes. So it's a mutable. Okay, we can modify the list. Okay. So and list contains duplicates or not? You're taking a
Yes,
grocery
we.
list, so it's duplicates is possible to allow in list. Yes, it allows the duplicates. Okay. Okay, so one more thing is, guys, so your grocery list is temporary or permanent?
Temporary.
Yes, it's a temporary. Okay, so in Python, you have to create the list using square bracket. So the list should be contains square brackets. If you have doubt, you can see the A4 sheet is also in square shape. So the list is the square. It contains square brackets. Okay. Okay. So what is A is a variable, and here's a list of elements is a value. Okay. So Apple is a which data type? Abyss which data type? String. And banana is which data type, guys? String. And what about
String
grapes?
only.
String.
String.
Also
So
string.
is the collection of, it is called homogeneous because all are same data types, same variety. So it is homogeneous data items. Okay, it is a homogeneous data items. So if your collection of list contains a mixer like 1 to 2.5, so then 4j, then kiwi. So tell me now what is the data type? So one is, what's the data type of one and two?
It's
Integer.
just
Integer.
2.5 means
Float.
float, and 4j means
complex
complex. And what about kiwi is which data type?
string.
String. So it is a mixer. So here we call it as heterogeneous. We already studied in our chemistry in our school days. So just it's a mixer. Heterogeneous data items. Okay. So now come to the point. So guys, listen. So now tell me what is the features of list. So it is an order collection, and one more,
It's mutable,
mutable. Then
allows duplicates, and
yes, is, and then temporary. So list contains what? Homogeneous or
Yeah,
heterogeneous data
heterogeneous.
items, right? Is okay, guys. I'll write the definition. Let's see. Don't memorize. No need to memorize the things. Okay, it's very easy. So I'll write. Just listen. So list is the, so it's a list. Okay, the square list contains what? Square brackets. It's a list. Okay, list is the collection of homogeneous homogeneous or heterogeneous data items, and which is enclosed by what?
It's
Closed by square brackets.
templates.
Square brackets. And separated by,
comma.
yes, separated by commas. Okay, so it is an ordered collection. Ordered collection. It is an ordered collection, and it's mutable, temporary, and allows duplicates. That's all, guys. This is the simple definition. And allows duplicates. It's difficult to learn.
No, no, not because we know
So
the
you have to apply the story. Whatever I thought, you have to apply the story. It's very easy. Okay. Okay, guys. Now take a snapshot and written on your notes. You just take a snapshot. Have you taken Gautam and Alka? Do you have any doubt about this slide? Do you have any doubt?
No, Vasant.
Okay.
yes taken doubt.
Okay, that's good. Sorry.
Yeah, I have taken no doubt.
Okay. So, okay, we'll move on next slide. I'll remove these things. So just listen. Okay, guys. So string has indexing and slicing. Is string supports indexing and slicing? Guys, I'm asking you. Is
Comma.
string supports what? Indexing
So,
and
and
slicing.
slicing.
Yeah, what is positive indexing and negative indexing? Why are
Positive indexing starts from, in Apple, positive indexing starts from A.
okay?
Negative indexing starts from E.
Okay, end of the string, right?
String, correct.
Okay, so listen. Yes, string also have a, because it is a string is a sequence of characters, right? So each sequence should has a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and banana also we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So here also positive indexing and negative indexing. And one more thing, guys, And list is also ordered collection: zeroth index, first index, second index, -1, -2, -3. Now tell me, what is print of a0, a of 0? What's the answer?
Apple.
Yes, the output is apple. Okay, now we'll ask one more question. Print of a of 0 of 2. What is the answer? Guys, what is the answer for a of 0? What is the answer for a of 0?
Apple.
Apple. In apple, second index what?
P.
Great.
Yeah, character P.
P. Okay.
Is have you cleared this part? So we'll give one more example. Print of a of 2. So slicing is 0 to 5. So now tell me, what is the answer? What is a of 2?
So,
What's a of 2?
A of 2 is grapes.
Yes,
0
grapes.
to 5 grapes.
0 to 5. Tell me. So what are the index in present? 0, 1,
yes.
2,
2
3,
Three and
4. If 5 presents on this slicing, no,
grape.
till 4. So the answer is grape,
grape.
not grapes. Okay, do you have any doubt? So here's I am applying indexing and slicing. And do you have any doubt?
Uh,
Yes.
no, no.
Okay. So okay guys, we move on direct on. Okay, just take a snap. We'll move on the direct coding part.
Yeah, done.
Yes. Well, so guys, see what I told. So list is a collection of homogeneous or heterogeneous data items. So and which is enclosed by what? Square brackets and separated by commas, and it is what? Immutable. Sorry, it's a mutable. And mutable means we can modify or changeable. So and the next thing is it is ordered collection. So that's the reason the index position should be in what? Order. Okay, starts from positive index starts from 0 and negative index starts from -1, and it is allows duplicates elements. Okay, so listen, needs for data science. So this list is mainly using for storing storage purpose. It's like a row. You can list, this is the name list name, this is called student's name, and this is the age, and this is students age. You have to just assume. Okay, and it's a collecting column value, and it's a temporary data storage. I already told that. So it's a temporary storage, and here we call it as variable, and here it's a values, and each and every element is called item. Okay, we call it as data items or data elements. Okay, you can laterally know how it's working. Okay, so guys listen. So here I'm creating a list. So it is a homogeneous or heterogeneous list?
Same kind of data. Homogeneous.
Homogeneous, because it's all the data types are what? Same string. Okay, so and what about listed to? So now tell me, Alka, so what is the homogeneous? It's heterogeneous data items. Is Alka, tell me.
Yeah, homogeneous is like a collection of same thing.
What
Like
data type?
there are many
What
strings, right?
what data type is same here?
Integer, the
Integer. All are
integer is
integers. Now tell me, Alka. So what is the data type? So homogeneous or heterogeneous data items?
actually it is homogeneous.
Yeah,
All are same.
all are Boolean.
Boolean, yeah.
Okay. Now tell me, Gautam. So what is homogeneous or heterogeneous list and how?
It's an heterogeneous data items
Okay.
because strings and integers are available in the single list.
Yes, 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 you are right. Guys, whatever you given, you can give double quotes or triple quotes or single quotes. The output should comes in single quotes only. Okay, but it is also string. Okay. So do you have any doubt in this cell? Do you have any doubt? If you have any doubt, you can ask me directly. So don't delay. Have you understood this?
Yeah.
Okay, let me move on.
Yes.
So find the answer. So here's I given slicing. So now Alka, tell me what is the index position of 1, what is the position of 3, what is start index, what is stop index, what is step. Now tell me, Alka.
Start is 1, stop is 3, and step is 1.
Yeah, that's good. And what is the answer? What are the index should present on the output? Starts from
Okay.
1. Yeah, ends with
30. No, 1, 2, 3. Ends with 20, no?
okay.
Ends,
So
where is
stop
written? It's
index
10,
is
20, 30, right?
yes. Stop index is 3, and we can't take the third
Yeah,
index,
yeah.
and
Yeah,
we
yes.
put 2.
Start with 1, so 20 and
Yes,
30. Yeah.
we pick index 1 and 2.
Hmm.
Okay, okay. Slicing is okay for you.
Yes.
Okay. So our next thing is, guys, if you want to update any list, okay, we will change in sometimes in our home we will change the list. I'll tell you, just listen. We will make one list. This is our grocery list. Okay, so here I'm writing potato, onion, then what is the flow? Brinjal. Okay, here I written vegetables. Okay, just listen. In our home, our mom said like we no need to brinjal. Replace it on green chili. It's possible in our home. It's possible to update
Yes.
the list.
Yes.
What is the brinjal position? It's a 0, it's 1, it's second.
2.
We will remove, sorry, we will update the second index position. The same thing is happening here. So what is the first index is, first index is 20. So here we optimize A of 1 is 25 and it's updated. If you print A, the output is updated output. Do you have any doubt in update the list?
No.
No.
Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, we see on this is the main thing. So this is the list methods which are using, and it's we call it as a building functions. These are the functions helping various operations like adding and removing and modifying. We can also do in our list also. We can add or remove the brinjal, or we can modify the brinjal. We can update the thing. Okay, and we can add also one more datas also, like what is another vegetable? Tomato. Okay, okay. So listen, guys. Here I create a simple list: 10, 20, 30. Okay. It's okay for you. So you can create the list. Okay. Guys, while doing the code you should take the notes. Okay, you should take the code like command line also you have to return on your notebook. Okay, so guys, listen, the first method is append method. Here you can pass the value directly. Okay, where it add.
At the end of the
So
list.
here I am adding the tomato where I can add it in last.
At the end. Okay.
In last, if I add another powder, so where I can last, sorry, added at last.
Last.
So whatever you added on the list, because it is an order collection, right? If you are writing list, are you writing like this? Potato and here tomato. Have you written here? No, one by one. We added on at end. Okay. So append method is which helps to add an element at end only, not beginning, not front. Okay. Do you have any doubt in append method?
No.
And here we only passing one element only. And extend method we will pass collection of element. You can give a list of elements. What where it will add. In extend means what? Extend the thing. So you can add
Uh,
directly on at the end only.
yeah, why there are two 40s?
Sorry.
In first append method,
Sorry,
then
Alka, I didn't got your point. As
In first append method, you added 40, so 10, 20, 30, 40, and again
okay,
40.
okay, okay. Because I again run the same cell. Again, if you run the same cells, it added. Okay. So don't run the cells again. Okay. If
Okay.
I run the extend method, if you again run the extend method, it's again extend the thing. Okay. Because it stores the memories. So that's the reason. Okay. Now it's okay. It's okay. So append method, extend method. Do you have any doubt?
No.
Okay. And another thing is insert method. We will directly insert using what? Index positions. So what is the second index positions in previous? So 30 is in second index. If we insert the 25, 25 as the second index, so 30 moves on another indexes. Have you understood the insert method, guys?
Yes,
Yeah,
Vasan.
it takes sequence.
Is here
It
you
is,
guys, here we passing two parameters, and the first parameter is index position and the second parameter is value. Do you have any doubt?
no.
Hmm. So these things for adding the list. Okay, append method, extend method, insert method, and another two methods is for removing. If you want to remove any on your list, you can directly give the element. If it is have 220, it removes the first 20 only. So that's the reason it removes the first matching values only. Okay, are you okay now? So how the remove method is working? So if you have two or three 20s or 420, so which 20 it removes?
First,
First occurrence 20 only. Okay. Okay guys.
okay.
Because it reads one by one. Zeroth index is 10 and first index is 20, so it removes the 20. Again you are using the remove method, it removes the another 20. Okay. Have you got my point? So now print the list. So list presents the these data items. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And the pop method is used to remove the last element. I think you people are eaten the pop candy, right? Pop candy. It's in cylindrical shape. You are remove one by one candies, right? You are removing last elements only, right?
Okay.
Yeah, these also removing. Pop method is removing what? Last element.
Yes.
And we can pass here index position, guys. We can pass the index position too. If I want to remove the zeroth index, so it automatically removes what? 10. It automatically removes the, guys.
Depending on the index number that we have been giving,
Yes,
it's
yes,
0
yes,
here, so it will remove 10.
yes, yes. By default, if you don't give any index position, by default what? It removes the last element.
Last.
Yeah. Guys, have you understood these five methods? Yes.
Yeah. Can you repeat last one again? Pop
Pop
method.
method by defaultly removes the last element, Alka. Okay. Huh? So if you are
Okay.
using any index position here only we passing index position, not a value. Okay. It only allows the index position only. If you give any index like 40th index position, so it removes the 40. Okay.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah. So that's the reason I given the command line. Okay. And in remove method here we are passing value only. It never takes the index positions. Okay. So I already told that like every badges, guys, you people are have a five fingers on your hand. The first three fingers help for adding, the next two fingers are help for removing. It's easily memorize these things. Okay, if I ask the next class, you can easily tell it orderly, no issue. So adding, first three is adding and second two is what? Removing. Up and one by one it's add one by one element at the end, and extend methods is add a group of element at the end, and insert methods we can insert using any index positions. Okay, And remove method, here we using value to remove the element, and here we using the index position. By default, if you don't remove any using index position, it removes at what? By default it removes the last element. Okay. Yes, and remaining 5 elementers, guys, totally we have 11 methods in Python list. Okay, I thought 5 elements, so another 11 elements I'll tell you. So listen, sort method. What sort method does? Orders.
Okay.
Guys, just give
Sorting
me.
some order,
Sorry.
like sorting list in some order.
Yes. What
Take
about
out,
sort? Sort means it
take
is an
out.
ascending order.
Yeah. Okay.
If you are setting by defaultly it presents to print the all the elements at ascending order. If you are set reverse equal to true, what is the meaning? Reverse equal to true means whatever it's present, it prints the reverse format, so it is called descending order. 60, 50, 40, 30, 25, 10. Do you have any doubt in sort method? Yes, do you have any doubt sort
No.
method, guys?
No.
Okay. And reverse method is whatever it prints the reverse method using reverse. Okay. So all the elements are print as reverse. I'll ask you guys, tell me your mobile numbers at reverse. So you will tell the your mobile number is on reverse, right? So ascending is different, descending is different, reverse is different. Now, are you clarified?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, if you don't know the index position, you can use the index method. You don't know the 15th index, 15 index position. You can directly add the 50. It will show us the index position. What is the 30th index position?
0, 1, 2.
Yeah,
Two.
the index is 2. Okay. And count method is used to how many values presents. How many times 25 is presents? One time. If 20 is presents two time, the output is 2. Okay. This is the list of elements. So how many times 25 returns? One times only. Okay. Now you can print the total list. Okay. And finally, clear methods helps to remove the all the elements. So this is called empty list. Empty list is denoted by open close square brackets. Okay. So guys, in modification, I thought five methods. Like what are they? Sort method, reverse method, index method, count method, and clear method. Have you got the 5 methods? Yes, these are the things for modifying the list. Have you got the point?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
first 3 methods for adding and next 2 methods for removing,
Removing.
Or
and
modifying.
the last 5 methods are called modifying.
Modifying.
Okay, you can easily memorize these things. Okay, no issue. And I will teach you copy method at last. If now you people are can't get confused while I'm teaching this. Okay, so what about concatenation, guys? So in previous class we I said, so what is concatenation?
Adding.
No, so joining
No, sir.
or combining the.
Combining one or more string, like to make a
Yes,
single string.
if you want to add, you can both are should be lists. Okay, now it's combined, added, not added, it's a combining or joining. Okay. Yes. I will tell you the for loop and while loop, just listen. So what is loop, guys? What is loop?
Repeating the things.
Yeah, it's a repeating a thing. I'll tell you. So this is called loop. Okay, just listen. In our daily life, we are doing the same thing. We are going to office to home. This is a repeated action, right? So how many times the loop will execute, guys? How many times this process will execute? Till you're working in your office. Okay, if you are not working in your office, there is no needed to loop, right? It's right or wrong?
Yes,
Yeah.
right.
Yeah, the same thing is, I'll tell you, guys, you have to assume that. So this is the list. Assume that. So I will give one example. So this is your room and this is your kitchen. Okay, in kitchen I stored laddus on your fridge. Okay, so the rule is you have to take one laddu and eat on your room. And how many times you are using your kitchen here? How many times you go and eat the laddu? One,
Five times.
you should take one laddus only. Yes. So it's a 5 times. So you know the iterations. This is known. You know the iteration. It's a 5 times. The iteration means 5 times. It's right. So it is called for loop. We call it as for loop. That is, the loop has two, for loop, and another loop is while loop. Okay, for loop means you know the iterations how many times. Okay, and go to while loop. So we'll provide one example. Just listen. Here is the one tumbler is there, and this is our rice bag. Okay, rice bag. How many times you will take the rice till the bag end? Hmm?
One.
Yes, how
Like
many shot?
at a time, if we can take this back, then one.
But your rice bag should complete all empty
Until it empties.
until.
Yeah, it gets empty.
So guys, in your home you have a normal tumbler. Okay, so it's a simple small tumbler. Okay, but the rice bag is 25 kg. Okay, so how many times you'll take as a cup of rice? How many times?
And
We
the
don't
fifth,
know the exact iterations, but
Yes,
until it empties, no.
yes, it is an unknown. We don't know the iterations. And the one more thing is we can use condition to stop. Three cup is enough for us, right? Have you got my
So
point?
on a daily basis, if you are asking, 3 cups is a condition that will come. But you asked a question that how many times we need to use. If it is on a daily basis, as you said, it is three
Yeah.
when the condition comes.
Yes,
And
you can
if the
use
rice,
condition to stop it. The execution will start. Guys, this is a scenario example only. We will move on the coding, but this is the concept. While loop means unknown, and it's a condition. We can use here condition only, but in for loop we don't use condition. Okay, have you got my point?
yeah,
Okay, we will go on coding. No issue. Just take a snap. It maybe these examples will help for you. We will move on the coding part.
done.
Okay, so listen guys, this is a for loop. So here I given the list of elements. So here it prints one by one, right? Wait a minute, it's like a laddu concept. Okay, just listen. So for loop contains for keyword, and here initialization. This is called the initialization, like a variable. You can give any name, fruit, I, A, X, Y, Z. You can give any name. I initialization means I given like I. Okay, in fruits. Okay, so print I. Okay, so guys, it start with, terminates with colon. So if it is colon, the next line should be what we will give the indentation. The next line we will give the indentation. We'll tell the rules. Guys, this is the initialization. So in a list is a order collection. So what is the initial position? Zeroth index or first index? Initialization. Zeroth index is the first. So first we have to initialize its apple and fruits. Guys, imagine. So I is now apple. Okay, I is now apple and fruits. Print what? Apple. Now it's print. Again go to for loop. What is the next order in initialization? Banana.
Banana.
One.
Banana in fruits. Print banana. It prints, guys, it prints one by only. So
Mm.
while we running the code, it's suddenly it prints all the elements. Okay, again go to for loop. What is another initialization element? Cherry in fruits. Print cherry. Do you have any doubt in for loop? So for loop is there is no condition and we know the iterations and it prints till end, like a laddu example. Do you have any doubt in for loop? If you have any doubt, kindly ask me, because the next classes we have same loop concepts. So if you have any doubt, kindly ask me.
No doubt in this follow.
Have you understood, Alka and
Yeah.
Pushpa? Yeah, that's good. Guys, and imagine here I written 3. Don't like you have to imagine that here I written 3,000 vegetables. Imagine that here I written 3,000 vegetables. You can initialize anything, guys. You can start from 0, or you can start with 1, or you can start with 2. Your wish. Okay, here I put in 0 initialize. In while loop here we given initialization, and the second thing is it's a condition here using while keyword, and I less than of len vegetable. So now tell me, what is the length of vegetable? Now how many vegetables there? 3.
Three
How?
vegetables are
3
there.
vegetables. If it is 3,000 vegetables, what is the answers here? Len veg is 3,000. Okay, you can, guys, you can directly use here you can directly use 3 or 4 based on your condition, like the tumbler example. You can give less than 3 means zeroth index, first index, second index, the 3 tumblers will came. So just listen. The next thing is which I is print, and next thing is increment. Now listen carefully. What is the I is? 0. 0 less than 3 is what? So I already told that len wedge is 3. If the condition satisfies 0 less than 3,
Yes.
yes. What is the wedge 0?
Potato.
Potato. So potato prints. And 0 plus 1?
One.
1.
Um,
What is the I value? 1.
I
1. Again go to for while loop. Again go to while loop.
so next will be print only.
Again go to while loop. It increment, guys. So what is the I? 1. 1 less than 3.
One is onion.
Sorry?
Yeah, one is less than three and the
Yeah.
condition satisfied.
Yes. What is wedge 1?
Then it will print one index value, which is onion.
Okay. So now 1 plus 1 is what?
Now the I value will become 1 plus 1 means 2.
Yeah. Then again go to while loop. So 2 less than 3.
Yeah,
Yes.
then
Wedge
I
2
value
means?
2.
Wedge 2 means? Wedge of
Which 2
2.
means index position to
Green
green
chili.
chili.
So 2 plus 1.
Three.
3.
Again go to while loop. 3 less than 3. Condition satisfied.
No.
No,
No,
3
the
is
condition
equal to
start.
3.
Yeah, we start with using the conditions. Okay. Guys, if we are using directly, you can use the number 2. What are the elements present? 0th index and first index will print, and the green chili is not print on this element.
Printed.
Now have you understood the while loop concept? You have to imagine that rice bag and tumbler example. If you want to until print, you can use what? Len function. You can directly use the len function. If you want the condition, you can give 3, 2, 4, or your wish. Okay. Have you understood the while loop concept?
Okay. Yes.
Yeah, this is very simple concepts, guys. Just think, logical thinking only. So how it executes. Guys, you people are repeatedly revise these things. Don't do like that. After the class, don't take notes. Don't do like that. Okay. It just revise the things in day by day. And the list completion I tell you. So guys, this is also for loop. Just imagine here initialization I return as x, no issue. Okay. The first thing is I already told that, right? So if you give the terminates with colon, the next line should be what?
Indentation.
Indentation means white space is called indentation. And here I am using if condition. Here also I write on ends with terminates with colon. The next line is what? Indentation. Guys, if you are remove the indentation, it happening errors. Okay, that's the reason I am explaining you. We will give the indentations. Okay, and the for contains what? These two statements. And if contains what? This statement is right. While writing the paragraph, we will give the subheadings like this. This is like, imagine this is the heading and this is the sub part, and this is the heading and this is the sub part it contains, is right. Now listen carefully. The what is the, it is a initialization. What is the initial element? Apple. Apple in fruits. If A in apple, if A character is present in apple, is Alka, is A in apple?
Yes.
Yes. Then print apple. Again go to for loop. The next element is banana in fruits. If A in banana,
Okay. Yes. There is.
print A. Print apple. Again go to cherry. Cherry in fruits. If A in
No.
cherry,
No.
no, it never returns the condition. It again go to the for loop. And the kiwi in fruits. If A in kiwi,
No. There is no.
no, it never prints. Again go to for loop. It's mango in fruits. If A in mango,
Yes.
the condition satisfied. So that's the reason it prints the mango. These three lines only are written in single line. So that is called list comprehension. This is also executing the same thing. First for X in fruits. The second is condition. If A in X. The third thing is print. Here we can return print X. Like we will give the X. Do you have any doubt? Yes.
So
Okay.
in
We can
list
assign any.
comprehension, no need.
Sorry.
Continue.
I'm asking that both are same, just written method is different.
Yes, guys, the three lines are given in single line only.
Like,
So we will enclosed with a list. So that is called, it's a list comprehension.
okay.
The same process is working like you split it into three parts, guys. This is a print statement, for condition, and if condition, and print statement. You can split into three parts. Okay.
Okay.
The same process only. The first it will check for apple in fruits. If we are in apple, print apple. The same thing. Okay. This is just a hint only. If I directly explain it, so you get confused. That's the reason I explained this thing first and this thing secondly. Have you got my point? So what is list comprehension?
Yes.
Yes.
So in list comprehension, this is the format, right?
Yeah.
Like X is the print
Syntax.
one, for is the loop, and if is the condition.
Yes. This is the
We are
same thing.
not supposed to change this order.
Yeah, we no need to
Okay.
change because like it's a slicing has also syntax, and this is also has in
Hmm.
Python syntax is like a formula. So this is the format we can write.
Okay.
Okay, have you got my point, Alka?
Yes. I got it.
Okay, it's a simple only. After the class you can go through these concepts. Okay, don't waste the time. Okay. Okay, so
Yeah.
guys,
Sure.
my kindly request, if I complete the session, you complete all the codings and notes also and prepare these things. Okay, if you are utilize the 4 days, you have to take an free on Saturday and Sunday, and directly you can take the work. So just prepare day by day. Okay. Okay. Do you have any doubts, guys, here?
No, not now.
Wait. Siri, okay, guys. The last thing is copy method only. We'll explain the copy. Okay. So, guys, listen. The 11th method is copy method. So if it is it's a collection of element. So listen. So this is what nested list. If the list in presence inside the list is called what?
Nested list.
Nested list. Okay. So I directly copy the a and stores into b. So what is print b means? What is the output? The same list of elements. Now see the important thing. So id function helps to see the memory address. Id functions helps to see the memory address. Id of a, id of b, the both memory addresses are different or same? Check last five or
Different.
six elements. Same or different?
Different.
Different. And what about nested? Nested means like a of 2 means what? Nested list. A of 1 means what? Banana. A of 0 means what? Apple. So what is the nested elements? Same or different?
It's
Yes, yes.
same.
What the concept is, guys? So if I replace the apple into kiwi, it affects the kiwi. If I change into banana or ball, here change into what? Ball. Okay. If you add a new element, it will not affect here. Have you got my point after the copy? So you can assume that it's like your original Aadhaar, it's your duplicate Aadhaar. It means Xerox. Okay. So if we add a new element after copy, after taking the Xerox, if you are adding a new element, it will affect B. If it affects the B, because A and B are what? Different memory address. The nested are called same memory address. Have you got my point? Don't confuse with other example. Just assume that the point is okay for you.
Yes. But how we use it, like why we use it nested and
Okay, so if I deleted B, what it will happen if B deleted or not? Guys,
If we
using
delete B, the B will be deleted, not the A, because we are using the copy of A in
copy?
B.
okay, we
Correct.
copied. Okay, guys, we
Uh,
already copied. Okay, then only I remove the A. What it happens B? We copied.
then A will deleted, the copy of B will be printed.
Yes, because
Am I
what?
right?
This is to a different memory address. Okay,
Correct.
if you are deleted Apple, here also it deleted Apple. If you are replace Apple into Kiwi, here also replaces Apple into Kiwi, because it both has same memory address, guys. You will check what is the A of 0 and what is B of 0. Check now, the address is same. Right? The address is same or different?
Yeah, same.
Yeah. Have you got my point? Guys,
Yeah.
kindly ask me if you have any doubt. Kindly ask me. Don't get struggle. It's shallow copy is okay for you. So whenever we are using copy method, we call it as shallow copy, guys. Shallow copy means A and B memory addresses are different, but the inside the A and B and memory addresses are same. Do you have any doubt?
Getting this concept. Okay,
Sorry,
yeah, fine.
sorry, sorry, Alka. Uh, tell me once.
Yeah, I got this that copy is having different number. These both are different, like A is different and B is different. Then
Hmm.
what did you do? You applied nested one, right? This
Yeah.
is nested. You have given
No,
index
not
number.
not not like that,
What?
Alka.
Yeah.
If the memory address is different, we can't modify, like your Aadhaar number. Okay, so this is your father's Aadhaar number, this is yours Aadhaar number. You
Hmm.
change the address on your Aadhaar, is it's affected on your father's Aadhaar number?
No, that I got.
Different memory address, right?
Yeah, different memory address.
Ah,
What about last two? Why
if
they are same and what is the use of it?
because if you remove, if this is for storing purpose only, if you remove the a, we will never remove after the copy.
Okay.
So why we are taking xerox, why we are taking xerox of Aadhaar? If I tear the original, what about the remaining thing? The xerox will be there, right?
It is yes.
If I tear the xerox, the original will be there, right?
Hmm,
The
yes.
same concept. After copy, if I remove A, B will be there. If I remove the B, A will be there. Because both are different memory address, right?
Yeah, right.
So if I remove Apple and here also remove apples because the both are same memory address.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so guys, we'll give the one more assignment. This is new for you. You can try it using append extend. You can here you can use append method and try it. Okay, or we'll give provide one more example. Don't worry. Now you will get clarified. Okay, okay. So now guys, I will give one more thing. Just listen. So can we use append method to add an element? Here we can add append. What is the purpose of append? Here I can written append a. Okay, where it append print a and print b. Just listen. What it happens? So a and b are different memory address. If you after copy the after copied the a and b, here I added the 30. What happens here? Alka, now tell me.
Yeah, 30 is not added. No change in that.
Because what? Both are different memory address, right?
Okay.
Ah, we'll give another example. Just listen. Okay, here now I written a of z. One second, one second, one second. E of 2. Okay, so a of what is the position of e of 2? 1 and 2. If I appended 30, what it happens? Guys, one second, one second. Now tell me what is happens?
In the nested
It's
list,
added.
30 got added
Added. What's the reason?
because the nested ID memory is same.
Guys, because Apple are same memory address, banana are same memory address, and the nested list and nested list also same memory address, and cherry also same memory address. If you are changing here, it also affected here. Because and A and B are different memory address. If you are any element at add, so it will never add affect B. Okay, just take a screenshot, guys. I remove these things. Just take a snap. You can try it on your system. Just take a snap. Have you taken?
Yes.
Okay. It's not a difficult part, guys. It's very easy. In normal copies, generally it's very easy. Now, guys, imagine A is a container. Okay, wow, A is a box. So the list of elements are stored as a box. So A box is stored in a B box. Imagine I will give apple, banana, cherry. You are put inside the A box and A box inside the B box. Okay. Now what is the print B? What is inside the B box? Apple, banana, cherry and list. Okay. So what is the memory address of A and B?
It's same.
Same. And what about nested? Nested also same. Guys, if I take and eat an apple, apple is not present there. What is inside the B and A? If I remove the apple, if B presents the apple, A presents the
No.
apple? No, because
No.
both are same memory address. Have we
Yes.
understood the logic? This is called normal copy. We will store the group of list of elements are stored in the variable A and A stored in the B. Have you got my point? This is called both are same memory address. They are any doubt?
Okay, this is normal that was nested.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is a normal copy, and deep copy means all the memory addresses are different. There is no affections. So if you remove apple, here never remove apples. If you replace banana, here never remove. If you remove A, it's never removes the B because all are different memory address. Here we using import copy library. Guys, and Python has 7 plus crores libraries are there. We are using like 10 or 15 libraries only. Whatever you needed on your working, so that's the important libraries only we are using. We no need to use all the 7 plus pros libraries. Okay. So guys, in your kitchen, if the coffee powders are present, then only you are putting preferring coffee, right? Yes.
Yes.
So the same
Yeah.
thing, you should import the copy library, then only you using deep copy method. Have you got my point? If you are using deep copy method, totally the memory address are different. That's the reason I'm explaining you guys. ID A and B are what? Different memory address. ID B and ID in mean inside the ID is called what? Different memory address. Have you got my point? The three copies are different, guys. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. Have you got my point? Do you have any doubt in today's concepts? And kindly do the code, take the notes, and revise the concept, otherwise, it will not remember. Okay,
Yeah,
and no
sure.
need to memorize, it's very easy. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
okay, I'll just scroll for at the end of the video, so don't worry. So you can directly copy the code and you can write the same command lines and headings. It's really helpful for you while taking another time. Okay, okay, that's all, guys.